गोंयाकडेन लोक सेकंड होम म्हण पळयतात। वर्क फ्रॉम गोवाची नवी संस्कृताय पळोवपाक मेळटा। ताका लागून गोंय क्रिएटिव्ह कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया जावपाचे तयारेत आसा, पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन म्हटलां। ताज कन्व्हेन्शन सेंटरात जाल्ले 4थे टुरिझम वर्किंग ग्रुप एंड मिनिस्टरियल मिटिंगेचे माचये वयल्यान खंवटे उलयतालो। आध्यात्मिकताय, भलायकी आनी कल्याण, इको टुरिझम आनी पारंपारीक मूल्यांचेर कमी संशोधन जालां, पूण ह्या मळाक उर्बा दिवन गोंयान आपल्या पर्यटन मळाचो विस्तार करपाचें चिंतलां। थळाव्यो घडामोडी आनी गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतल्या भितरल्या वाठारांतल्या पर्यटनाचेर उजवाड घालपी, सैम सोबीतताय आनी सांस्कृतीक दायज दाखोवपी ब्रँडिंग आनी जागरूकता मोहीम राबोवपाची मोख दवरल्या, रोहन खंवटेन सांगलें।
We aim to create a model which can be looked upon by the whole world. This includes that our policy on homestays that focuses on homestays in the hinterland, thereby creating cluster economies without the need for a large concrete projects, and this engages the local community and also provides employment to women who are the majority of the homestay business operators. Goa also plans to expand its tourism offerings by promoting lesser explored areas like spirituality, health, wellness, ecotourism and traditional aspects. The state aims to implement long-term branding and awareness campaigns that highlight local events and hinterland tourism, showcasing its abundant natural beauty and cultural heritage, Goa beyond the beaches. And the state actively promotes festivals such as the Rio-inspired Carnival, our own cultural rich Shigmotsav, Saujam, Chikalkalo, to name a few. In Goa, the people in the ecosystem allows tourists to be immersed in the festival by being a part of the parade. Goa's distinct attractions such as its beautiful beaches, tropical climate, diverse wildlife, historical landmarks, lively festivals, water sports, Ayurvedic practices and authentic cuisine sets it apart as a unique destination. By implementing targeted marketing campaigns and promotional experiential tourism, Goa aims to establish itself as a top choice for travelers worldwide, emphasizing its exceptional offerings and encouraging visitors to explore its rich and natural treasures. It is very important to note that while our state has a recorded population of 1.5 to 1.8 million people, estimates have 10 times more people living in Goa. So Goa becomes naturally a preferred destination as a second home. We see a big culture of work from Goa post-COVID, and Goa is thus poised to be the creative capital of the country. In Goa, tourism initiatives are directed by the Goa Tourism Board, which is the first of its kind in the country, with an equal representation of members from the tourism industry and the government. The collaborative approach ensures that decisions and policies related to tourism take into account the interests and expertise of both sectors. It allows for effective coordination, decision making and initiatives that benefit the tourism industry and the state as a whole.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, जवाहर बर्वे आनी निखिल जल्मी।